All right, thanks to SportDog, we've got a new collar to test, and check this guy out. Number one, look how handsome he is. And he looks just like the guy in the box. Very cool. So we've got the SportDog Sport Hunter 1225X. It's got a 3/4 mile range, and this guy just wants a Frisbee. Look at him. You want your Frisbee. So I love the SportDog collars, and I'll tell you why. You know, we've got this big backyard, and I trust his recall. I very much trust his recall. But you have that random squirrel or that random deer, squirrel. You have a squirrel run through the yard, and then you don't know. So for me, SportDog is providing me the trust that I know that he will stop. His recall is great, amazing. He's very well trained. And I will tell you right now, setting wise, we'll use the vibrate and tone more than anything else. The static stimulation is there if you need it. And gosh, that for me, that's the safety net. That tells me that I know he's not going to run off, is having that safety net. But I will also tell you that having just that vibrate and tone, he knows to stop. He knows to come. And right there, that's his, hey, little electronic brain, I know that he's going to be safe. So we play out in this yard. We have deer that run through here all the time. All the time. He chases the deer off, but he stops right at the border of the property. And I can't thank SportDog enough for giving us the freedom to be able to be out here off leash, 100%, letting him play, get that energy out, because he's a pointer. German Shorthaired Pointer, they need time to run. They need time to play. Look at this guy. He run around wild. And then same thing for the field. When we go out to the field, 100%, I know he's going to come back home because we have that collar there for those safety purposes. And for me, look at the convenience here. I've got the belt clip. All I got to do is just reach down, hit that tone button on the side, and I know he's safe. We also can dial it up real easy, super easy. You got the buttons on the side to press, or fits perfect in your hand. I love the ergonomics on this remote. And then you also have the lanyard if you want to wear it around your neck. So we've got the tone in there, and right there, that alerts him to me, hey, I need to come home. I need to come to my owner. And right there, look at him. Oh, good boy. Sitting there. You are such a good boy. You want your Frisbee? Do you want your Frisbee? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, come here. Come. Stop. One of my favorite options on the SportDog collars is that you can actually change the mode of operation. So with our dog, he responds very well to things like vibrate and tone. Normally, the static simulation is only for when he's really gone, not listening. So generally, we're going to use that side button for that vibrate and tone. So the mode that we use is mode number 1. It does give you the upper button functionality where it's the continuous stimulation. So we'll go ahead and just do our test to make sure that we have it all set up right. Upper button, and it is doing the constant stimulation. The lower button is just that quick momentary, so like that quick nick. And then the side button, no matter where you have the dial set to, side button's always going to be tone, which he typically responds to just that, which is exactly what we're looking for. You know, his recall is very strong, but this is here for our safety to make sure that he is going to listen. So we've got the side button just for tone. We've got the quick reminder, the quick stimulation, and then we have it's on page 10, gives you a full rundown on what settings are available. But for our dog, we use mode number 1.